let's delve deeper into the key principles of natural justice with a more detailed and engaging explanation. Introduction. Imagine a world where fairness is the cornerstone of every decision-making process. That's the essence of natural justice. It's not just a legal concept. It's a universal ideal that ensures every person gets a fair chance during legal proceedings. These principles are the bedrock of trust in our administrative law system, ensuring that decisions are not arbitrary but are grounded in reason and fairness. Meaning and definition. Natural justice is like the moral compass of the law. It isn't defined by rigid statutes, but is shaped by our innate sense of right and wrong. It's the justice that resonates with our natural ideals and human values, transcending the written law to uphold what is fair and just. Aims of natural justice. The goals of natural justice are noble and straightforward: to prevent injustice and ensure fairness. These unwritten rules fill the gaps where the law is silent, acting as the guardians of equity. They adapt to the unique circumstances of each case, ensuring that justice isn't just served, but is also perceived to be served. Principles of natural justice. At the heart of natural justice lie two fundamental maxims: audi alteram partem. No one should be condemned unheard. This Latin phrase is the rallying cry for fairness. It insists that everyone deserves a chance to tell their side of the story before any judgment is passed. Here's what it entails. Prior notice of hearing. Like an invitation to defend oneself, every person should receive clear and timely notice before a hearing. Sufficient time. Just as a warrior prepares for battle, litigants must have enough time to prepare their defense. Opportunity of hearing. The courtroom is a stage where every actor must have their moment, presenting evidence and challenging the opposition. Conduct of hearing. The process must be impartial, free from any prejudice or bias, ensuring a level playing field and right to legal representation. Everyone should have the right to an advocate, a champion, to argue on their behalf. Reason for decision. Decisions must not be shrouded in mystery. They should clearly articulate the why behind the verdict. I'm shouting nemo judex in causa sua. No one should be a judge in their own case. This principle safeguards against conflicts of interest, ensuring that the judge is an unbiased arbiter. It's based on three common law maxims. No one shall be a judge in his own cause. Judges cannot preside over cases where they have a personal stake. Justice should not only be done, but should manifestly and undoubtedly be seen to be done. Justice must be transparent, leaving no room for doubt about its integrity. Judges, like Caesar's wife, should be above suspicion. Judges must maintain an impeccable standard of impartiality beyond any suspicion. Conclusion. In conclusion, the principles of natural justice are the silent sentinels of fairness in our legal system. Though unwritten, their presence is felt whenever justice is served. They are not just principles, they are promises. Promises of a fair trial, of an unbiased judgment, and of a justice system that values truth and fairness above all. These principles may not have changed much over time, but their role is as crucial as ever, especially in administrative and quasi-judicial proceedings. They are not just a requirement, they are the very soul of justice, ensuring that at the end of the day, justice is not only done, but is also believed to be done by all. To be done